What's up, YouTube? It's me, Eniolas. Welcome back. I know it's been a while. I owe you guys an apology, yeah, because I said I was going to be consistent, but I didn't stick to my word. So sorry about that. But hopefully, by God's grace, we are entering the new year. I'm going to try better this time to stay consistent within the new year, like new year, new me type shit. Basically, now I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to make my hair look like this, the coily thing, basically. It's going to be real quick, real easy. But warning, because this worked for me, doesn't mean it's going to work for you. We have different hair genetics and capabilities, basically, because everyone's hair is different. The strength, texture, and everything varies. So this is what worked for me. I'm not sure it's going to work for you, but it works for me. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed the video. But this is what I use, basically. But something happened there. There was a rough handling there, popped. So we're going to make do with it like this, yeah. And why am I shirtless? I mean, I'm in my comfort zone. I don't wear shirts. I just walk around with shorts or something. So this is what we're going to use. So yes, people say it's too strong, but I watch how I use it, basically. I'm not going to be doing the whole thing. I'll just be like doing the tip of the hair just to give it that look, because I don't like this plain Jane look. I just don't, it's not my vibe. Normally I use the whole thing, but then I end up using only half. So this time I'm just going to like cut it into, like, break it down. If you don't know how to do this, get a professional, or in other words, get someone that does it with their hair, a female. So this is my stepson. She's the one that helps me do it every time. So shout out to her, I guess. Every time she's the one that helps me do it. But sometimes she fucks it up. Last time she messed up my hair. She gave me like a bone behind my hair, but I asked for it, so I have to like make do with it. So since it's just the tip, as you can see, just rubbing the tip.
Great heavens!
Finish him, Daddy.
What did he say? What?
Normally, if you're doing like you want the whole thing, which I normally do, but like I said, you will take the relaxer and whatever you put. I just relax my hair. I don't use any special product. I just relax my hair and it becomes curly. Some people have to use different products, that's why I say your hair texture and composure, everything varies. So if it works for me, it doesn't mean to work for you. Mine, I just have to relax. Some people, when they relax their hair, it's standing like good hair. Mine just curls up immediately. So have that in mind. So now we're just rubbing it in, because we're supposed to use a tail comb, but since we are not dissecting the hair, we're not going to like dip inside, right?
No! You thought you caught me in 4K? You ain't see a thing.
I'm just going to use the hairbrush to like get the frosted tips. Warning, this is the first time I'm actually doing this. I normally go through, so I don't know how well this is going to come out or not. The number of things I risk for you people, I risk myself, so you people don't end up doing it and regretting. So see, the white looks really good on me, but I'm not going to lie, this looks really nice. If you think I should tint my hair white or any color, comment down below, let me know. I've applied it. As you can see, we just wait for it to, do its work. And most people put a timer, but I'm Nigerian. I use my own time. When my ancestors tell me it's okay. No, once you start feeling a peppery sensation in your hair, you can feel it burning your hair. Go and rinse it off immediately, or your hair will fall out. It will dry up and fall out, literally fall out. So don't do too much. Again, hair texture varies. So yours might be 2 minutes, mine might be 5. I just chill till I start feeling like a peppery sensation, and I give it like maybe 10 more seconds, and I'm gonna rinse it off. Let us go to use this shampoo. This is what I use basically. Then use it to wash it off immediately. Thoroughly wash it off and rinse everything there. If you leave anything there, again, your hair will cook. Firstly, use water, then use the shampoo to clean it out. So I'm going to apply my hair cream. This is not a sponsored ad, but this is what I use. I use Soulmate. I've been using Soulmate since I was a kid. Never switched up. Same Soulmate every time. Works best for me, does what's best for me, doesn't ruin my hair. Does all what I need basically. So get Soulmate if you have a problem knowing which you need. Soulmate. Sponsor me, Soulmate.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
So let's apply it. Look how shiny that is. Take this, rub it on, and let's see the magic happen. Make sure you dig through everywhere, because once you relax your hair, your hair becomes very, very weak. So you don't go a day where you don't condition it. Use your hair cream every day. You have to use your hair cream every day, or else your hair will break. So you have to like be very, very cautious with it, because at that point the relaxer has really weakened your hair. So always make sure you condition your hair to avoid hair breakage or loss every day. Yes, It's what I use. When I use this, then I apply gel. And again, not a sponsored ad, I use Eco Gel most times. Yes, Eco Gel is like the best. I think everybody knows that now, but that's what I use. But if you have any other suggestions, or you know any other products that are good for things like this, just comment them down below and help your fellow brothers and sisters trying to do this. Then when you're done, you can basically go get yourself a cut after to like get the hairline, everything looking sharp.
You call me Dark Chocolate, aka Young Sexy Motherfucker.
So that'll be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and this video was of good help to you. That is my step-to-step guide on how I get my hair curly. So just follow the steps and I think you should be good, honestly. If you have any questions or you have any suggestions or you need any other tutorial or how I do any of my things, basically, just comment it down below. Don't forget to like, share and comment what any opinion you have on this video and help me improve the content for you, basically. See you next time.